Imagine this. You're flying your brand new FPV drone through a tight gap between two trees. Your heart is racing, the adrenaline is pumping, and then suddenly, a tiny gust of wind pushes the drone just an inch off course. Crack. You hit a branch, the drone tumbles to the ground, and when you pick it up you see the worst thing a pilot can see, a deep scratch across the camera lens. Normally, that means the day is over. It means expensive repairs, or sending your drone away for weeks. But what if you could fix it in under a minute? That's exactly the idea behind the new DJI Avata 360. For years, FPV flying has been an amazing hobby, but also a risky one. Crashes happen all the time, and every crash usually means expensive repairs. But with the Avata 360, DJI appears to be changing its philosophy. Instead of treating crashes as disasters, DJI is designing a drone that pilots can actually repair themselves. And that starts with one of the most important components, the camera. The Avata 360's biggest feature is exactly what its name suggests. A 360-degree camera system that records everything around the drone. Normally, when you fly a drone, you only capture what the camera is pointing at. If you miss the angle by just a few degrees, the shot is gone. But with a 360 camera, you capture the entire scene. Later in editing, you can reframe the shot and choose exactly where the camera should look. It turns your drone into something like a flying tripod that sees in every direction. And that opens up completely new creative possibilities. But the real innovation may be repairability. According to drone insider Jasper Ellens, DJI could release a $50 lens replacement kit for the Avata 360. The kit would include 2 replacement outer lenses and the tools needed to swap them yourself. That means if your lens gets scratched in a crash, you don't need to replace the entire camera. You just swap the lens and keep flying. For professional creators, that could mean avoiding expensive downtime. For hobby pilots, it removes the fear of flying close to obstacles. And surprisingly, DJI might also lower the price of batteries. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 battery could cost around $70, compared to about $100 for the previous Avata 2 battery. Even better, the capacity is rumored to increase to around 38.6 watt-hours, up from about 31.8 watt-hours before. So you could get longer flight time for less money. That's something we almost never see in the drone world. The Avata 360 also occupies a unique position in the market. Cameras like the Insta360 X5 or GoPro Max can capture incredible 360 video, but they can't fly. The Avata 360 combines 360 capture with high-speed FPV flight, giving creators angles that simply weren't possible before. If these leaks turn out to be true, the DJI Avata 360 might be one of the most practical FPV drones ever made. A drone that's easier to repair, cheaper to maintain, and capable of capturing cinematic shots from every direction. So the big question is, would you buy the Avata 360? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more upcoming drone leaks and tech updates.